Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Star. If this is your first time seeing me, then welcome to my channel. I hope you all enjoy the video. Today we're going to be making over my living room wall. As you can see, it's this brown color, but because of this beautiful Victorian style couch, I believe it's Victorian, because of this beautiful antique couch, I'm inspired to make my living room look a little bit more in the aesthetic that I want it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this peel and stick wallpaper, this pink. I should have opened it before. It's pink. I'm gonna put it all on the walls, and then up at the very top where you guys can't see, I'm gonna put this crown molding up there, this peel and stick crown molding. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by taking down everything and then cleaning the walls. So let's get to that. So now I'm going to clean off the wall. You can see like I did some peel and stick on the bottom half. The lighting's horrible. Oh, there we go. I did some peel and stick on the bottom half. Look at my husband to bring the lighting down. Hey Steph. I love you. Okay, so I need to clean the wall, but I'm gonna dust it first with my little handy dandy tool that's like a Swiffer, but not. Man, it smells echoey in here. Anyway. Okay, that's done. So now I'm gonna clean the wall. I'm recording, honey. Yeah, it's fine. I have a soap, water, and isopropyl alcohol mixture in this bucket. Just gonna set it up a bit. I'm gonna get one end of the rag and start wiping down the wall. I'm gonna probably do just half of the wall for now. Okay, whew, I am hot. Okay. I know a different way I can go about this. I know a different way I can do this. I'll just put it on the wall and cut it where I need it. Smart girl. it looks so good from a distance. It looks pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is, you guys can see the gaps and the overlaps, like that one. I'm gonna basically do what I did down here. I should have enough peel and stick marble wallpaper thing, and hopefully I have enough. I should have enough. Let's do that. All right, I did it. It's finished. It was hard work. This wall is done. I gotta finish that wall over there, but that will get done in due time. And then I gotta reupholster the sofa. But I am really excited about how it looks. I'm very happy, and I hope you all enjoyed today's video. So, bye. It looks so good. It looks so good.